Hey everyone! The Ayaneo Pocket Air Mini marks a new chapter for the company, positioning itself as the most affordable portable device in its lineup. Known for producing premium, high-end handhelds, Ayaneo is now reaching out to a much wider audience by introducing a compact, entry-level gaming console that blends classic retro appeal with modern performance. Priced at just $69 globally, the Pocket Air Mini represents Ayaneo's attempt to democratize mobile gaming while retaining many hallmarks of its flagship DNA. At the heart of the experience is a 4.2-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 1,280 by 960 pixels and a traditional 4:3 aspect ratio, a format that immediately recalls the golden era of handheld gaming. The display is no afterthought, featuring factory calibration, brightness up to 500 nits, and wide color gamut support, ensuring crisp visuals despite the console's budget positioning. This makes the Pocket Air Mini especially appealing for retro game fans who value authentic presentation. Under the hood, the device runs on a Helio G90T processor paired with a Mali G76MP 4G PU. Buyers can choose between a 2 gigs RAM and 32 gigs model, or a slightly more capable 3 gigs RAM and 64 gigs version, both with expandable storage via micro SD cards. One of the standout features is its active cooling system. Unlike many budget handhelds that rely on passive cooling, the Pocket Air Mini incorporates an integrated fan to keep performance steady during long sessions. Its 4,500 mAh battery ensures ample playtime and supports 18-watt fast charging, striking a balance between portability and practicality. Connectivity options further enhance the experience with dual-band Wi-Fi for smoother online gameplay, Bluetooth 5.0 for controllers and accessories, a USB-C port for charging and data, and a classic 3.5mm headphone jack for wired audio. Despite its budget price point, Ayaneo has not cut corners on input quality. The Pocket Air Mini includes Hall-effect triggers and joysticks, RGB lighting accents, a traditional D-pad, conductive rubber A, B, X, Y buttons, responsive shoulder buttons, and vibration motors with X input support. An AYA key provides quick access to system functions, while additional navigation buttons improve usability. On the software side, the handheld runs Android 11, enriched by Ayaneo's own tools like iSpace and iHome. These apps bring advanced features such as button mapping, fan control, performance profiles, and game library management, usually found in the company's more premium consoles. Physically, the Pocket Air Mini is lightweight and compact, measuring 165.9 by 82.5 by 18.7 millimeters, with a comfortable grip area up to 27.6 millimeters thick. It weighs just 269 grams, making it ideal for long gaming sessions without fatigue. Available in 3 color options, Retro White, Aurora Black, and Retro Power, the design pays homage to both classic and modern aesthetics. Overall, the Ayaneo Pocket Air Mini is a bold move by the company to expand its reach. It blends affordability with thoughtful design, offering features that feel premium in a device at this price. While it will not rival Ayaneo's more powerful flagships in raw performance, it successfully captures the spirit of accessible, portable gaming and delivers it in a polished, nostalgic package. For newcomers to handhelds or seasoned players who want a dedicated retro machine, the Pocket Air Mini is one of the most compelling entry-level consoles currently available. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.